Hello mga kamino. Today, I will make my breakfast, the egg sandwich. This is very useful to the kids and the family. Include this one in your recipe in the morning. Okay guys, you want to know how to make this? Let's do it.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Guys, today gagawa tayo ng breakfast. Okay? Ito yung magandang breakfast. So, pang diet ito and healthy food. Okay guys? Okay guys, magawa tayo ng sandwich today. May ingredient ako. Ito may white bread and then ito yung gagamitin ko na cheese. Kasi ito yung gusto kong gagamitin sa breakfast ko. Yung shredded processed. Okay? And then I have a butter and I have a 3 eggs. These 3 eggs, yun yung ilagay natin sa ating sandwich. Okay guys? I-ready ko na. Okay guys, i-ready ko na ang egg natin, i-mix natin. Okay, i-beat na natin yung egg natin. Okay, I beat the egg separated. Dahil sometimes mayroong sira. So, be careful. Okay, it's good. It's very nice. Okay. So, i-beat lang natin. Lagyan natin siya ng konting salt. Okay. Okay, I put little black pepper. Yes. I put a little chicken powder. Okay. A pinch of sugar. Okay. Yeah. I have a bread. Okay. This bread, lalagyan ko lang siya ng butter. Okay. Okay guys, lagyan ko na ng olive oil. Okay. And then, i-pour ko na ang egg. Okay. Yes. Okay. And then, I put some of cheese. Like this. Okay. Yeah. So nice. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Guys. See? Yes, cops. Yeah. Oh, wow. It's broken. Yeah, it's okay. Just I made this top of my bread. Okay, yes. Okay. Wow, the cheese is so nice. So I need to use this to turn. Okay, it's nice. I close. I off the... Yeah. Okay, I off the fire. See? Okay. So the bread, I cut this one. I cut the edges. I'm not throwing this. I make this one breadcrumbs. Butter for my bread. Okay. Just a little first. Okay. Yeah, I put my bread. Okay. Yeah, it's okay for me. This is enough. Okay. Okay. It's enough. It's okay. This is my second bread. Okay. A little butter is enough. Okay. Okay guys, ito na yung ating bread. Okay. Yes. And then, it's up to you if you want to put ketchup or mayonnaise or mustard. It's okay, but for me, I make like this only. This is enough for me. Yes. Yeah. And then, I put only a little mustard. So, I put only a little mustard in my sandwich. Like that. Okay. Yes. That is my egg sandwich. Okay, guys. And then, I make like that. It's enough for me. Right? Then, I make like that. Yes. Okay. This is my own breakfast. Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah, okay. It's very nice. I will take my breakfast, guys. So, this is our recipe today for the breakfast. Okay, sandwich egg. Okay, guys. Include this one, this sandwich, this egg sandwich in your breakfast. So nice. Easy to make. Include this one in your recipe every morning for the breakfast of the kids and in your family. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like and comment. Don't forget to share. Thank you for watching. Bye.